In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how a tenderer with BuildSpace Pro can participate and submit tender. Once a tender has been called by the client, you will receive an email on e-tender message notification. Open the email and kindly go through the details of the project. Click at the link included in the email and you will be diverted to BuildSpace eProject login page. Log into the system by using your registered email and password. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Submit Tender page. To download the tender documents, click at Documents and click Tender Documents. You will see the list of tender documents provided by the project team. Simply click to open the documents and click at the file name to download. You can also click at the Action button on the top right to download all files in the form of zip folder. Download the BQ from the tender document. The BQ will be auto-downloaded in eBQ file format. To submit your tender, click at Submit Tender. You will see the status of the submission is incomplete. Click at the tender and you will see the submission checklist you need to complete. To submit tender rates, log in to your BuildSpace Pro, then click at Tendering module. Click Import Tender Project and choose the downloaded eBQ file from your device. The downloaded project will appear at the top of the project listing. The status will be shown as participated. Double-click project name to open the project. Here you can see the list of builds. Double-click build to go to the element level. Double-click element to view the BQ item description. Here you cannot edit the description and all except for the rates. There are three methods for you to do the pricing. First is to key in manually. Single click at the rates column and press enter to key in and press enter again to save. The second method is for you to perform build-up rate. Double-click at the rate column and click Resource category. Click to add resources. The resources will be separated into different panels. You can either key in the information manually or to import from the library, provided that your library has already have this information. Key in the quantity for the system to auto-calculate the total. Repeat the same steps to other resources such as labor and plants. Once done, go back to BQ item level. The rates will appear in blue color. The third method is to import rates from your library. Provided that your library has this information to be imported, go back to Project Breakdown and click Import Rates. The upper level would show you the schedule of rates while the bottom level is your BQ. Double-click Build an element to go to the item level. Tick at the checkbox on the left to select. As for the upper level, choose any of the schedule of rates accordingly. Click Import on the right to import the rates from library to the particular ticked BQ item. Click back to tendering and click Reload for the system to auto-calculate the new updates. User can also apply markup wherever necessary. The client and consultant will not have the access to view your markup item. To enable the markup functions, double-click at the build and click Build Properties. At the markup section, tick at the checkbox to enable markup functions to be applied in this particular build. You can either apply the markup at the element level or even at the BQ item level accordingly. You can also make full use of the project analyzer to apply markup to any particular resources in this project provided that you are using the import rate function. Click at the project analyzer and click Schedule of Rates Analysis. Choose your schedule of rates, double-click until you see the item traits, single-click at the markup column and press Enter to key in and press Enter again to save. Then click Project Breakdown and click Recalculate. This will allow the system to update the changes made. You can see the markup will be applied to the selected item accordingly. To print the BQ, click Print BQ to print out either with rates or without rates for your own physical record keeping. You can also print out the project summary from the system. Then, once you are done, click at Export Rates. The file will be auto-downloaded in a TR file format. Now, go back to BuildSpace eProject. Click at the tender and you can see the tender submission checklist is incomplete here. To download your rates, scroll down the page. Add the tender rates from BuildSpace, click Choose File and choose the TR file from your device. Then, click Submit Tender Rates. As you can see, once tender has been submitted, the checklist will appear in green color, indicating this task has been completed. Usually, for a 2-bit tendering, client will need to evaluate on the technical part as well. Click at the forum to evaluate your company's standing as accordance to client's requirements. Then, click Save. Please ensure that all questions are answered or else it will be considered as incomplete. As for the technical evaluation attachment, click at the attachments. Please ensure all mandatory fields are attached with an attachment. You may compile all documents in one PDF file as system only allows you to upload one single document for each field. If any of the mandatory field does not comply to you, you may upload a blank sheet into it. Then click Upload Attachment. Once all checklist has been successfully submitted, you may now print the acknowledgement letter. Also, the form of tender is auto-generated for you as accordance to your tender rate submission. Click at the print under Print Form of Tender to download the PDF file format. You can also provide project discount or proposal if allowed by the client. Scroll the page down and fill in the sections accordingly. Then click Update Tender Rates Information. The newly updated information will be automatically updated in the system. You may as well click to download the new form of tender which includes the new updates. For any other supporting documents to be attached with, scroll the page down and click Add Files. Choose File from your device accordingly and click Start Upload. Once all submission checklist has been submitted, you may log out from BuildSpace eProject.